representing every manned combat aircraft in the RSAF's orbit, will shortly approach the show center. First up is the combined helicopter flypast. Flying in an arrowhead formation, it is led by a heavy lifter, the Chinook, escorted by 2 Apache attack helicopters, 2 medium-lift Super Puma, and a maritime warrior, the Seahawk. Next, flying in a big formation are our tactical transport aircraft. Leading the formation is the ever-dependable Charlie 130 Hercules, well known for its support in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operations. Alongside our 2 Fokker 50 utility transport and maritime patrol aircraft, the Fokker 50 provides dedicated maritime surveillance over our sea lanes of communication, as well as search and locate operations. Up next, flying in an arrowhead formation, our flying asset specializing in extending the reach of the RSAF's capability. In the lead is one of our KC-135 Stratotankers. This air-to-air refueling tanker and transport aircraft is escorted by 2 multi-role fighter aircraft, the F-16 Fighting Falcons. And in the rear is our eye-in-the-sky Gulfstream 550 airborne early warning aircraft. Get ready as our state-of-the-art twin-engine, multi-role fighter, the F-15SG Eagle, arrive overhead. This cutting-edge all-weather tactical fighter is designed to gain and maintain air superiority. Watch as 6 F-15SG Eagles approach in a tight delta formation with the sound of freedom. And here they come! Now look up to the skies as 2 F-16 Fighting Falcons paint our heart with their smoke trails. Ladies and gentlemen, the RSAF has grown from humble beginnings to a professional and competent Air Force today. During our 50-year history, we have enjoyed the strong and unwavering support of generations of Singaporeans. This heart is our way of showing our appreciation to the nation. We love you, Singapore! Ladies and gentlemen, from your right, in a knife-edge pass, presenting the RSAF 50 flagship, the F-15SG Eagle!